introduce the names of Group 1 members.
Halo guys, introduce my name Helviana, call me SK from Group 1 class 12 MIPA2 SMA Negeri 4 Bonek. Halo guys, introduce my name Febry Wulansari, call me Febry from Group 1 class 12 MIPA2 SMA Negeri 4 Bonek.
Hello guys, introduce my name Firmasulasti, call me Ima from Group 1 from 12 MIPA2 SMA Negeri 4 Bonek.
Halo guys, introduce my name Hijriah from Group 1 class 12 MIPA2 SMA Negeri 4 Bonek.
Introduce my name M.Pd from Group 1 12 MIPA2 SMA Negeri 4 Bonek.
Introduce my name Firdaus from Group 1
Ingredients: fish, cooking oil, salt, chili, unripe mango. First, remove the scales of the fish. After that, wash and then prepare the burner and pour some oil on the fish. When the fish is on the grill, don't forget to reapply the oil on the fish belly. While waiting for the fish to be cooked, we continue to make the mango sauce. First, finally chop the mango. Next, the chopped mangoes are transferred to a larger bowl and add a tablespoon of salt, then wash with running water. Well, the fish is cooked guys. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Leave the fish slowly so it doesn't cut. Then proceed with making the mango sauce. Grind the chilies using the pestle. If it is smooth enough, combine the mangoes that have been cut into the pieces and grind again as before using the pestle. After mix it well with the chilies, then leave it and add salt for flavoring and stir until completely evenly distributed. Mango sambal making is complete. Then it will be arranged on top of the fish belly so that the delicious taste can be enjoyed.